Hi, I'm Chris from Teak Warehouse, and today I'm going to show you how to build the Savannah Bistro table. Your unassembled Savannah Bistro table will arrive like this. Let's get it unboxed. Don't forget your hardware.
Wait.
The Savannah Outdoor Bistro table is made with solid teak, as you can see. Very heavy and durable. And I will start by lining up the letters here and inserting in there. In the package, included with the table, there's 8 smaller screws and 4 larger ones. The 8 smaller screws attach the base to the tabletop. Once you finish screwing in the base to the top, make sure it's secure and stable by giving it a little shake. Now you're ready to put the feet on. Once again, please line up the symbols. And use the large screws into the holes. Go ahead and insert all 4 bolts. And then use the provided tool to twist them in. Once you finish screwing in the legs to the base, you're all set.